This is my winter methi sabji, no bitterness, full of flavor, will keep the methi green, soft and kids will love it. So let's go straight to the pan. Take one bunch of methi, use the leaves and only the tender parts of the stem. Don't use the entire part, otherwise the saag becomes very sticky. Methi warms the body, boosts digestion, reduces inflammation and supports bone health. It's perfect for winter. In India, winter markets are full of methi greens, and even in the USA, Indian grocery stores carry methi in winter in abundance. I have removed all the roots and the woody part of the stem. In a large bowl, wash the methi leaves and remove all the soil and grit. Normally, after 3 washes, the water comes out clean and you know all the dirt and soil is washed out. Look how dirty the water is after first wash. When I was in India, my mother always used to teach us, wash any saag at least 3 times to make sure it's all nice and clean. And this is my 3rd wash. I assure you, if you also follow this rule, your saag will never be gritty again. Look how clean the water is. Now chop your methi saag as fine as you can. Chop the eggplants in small cube size pieces. Always put your chopped eggplants in water so that they don't turn brown. Adding eggplant in methi saag reduces the bitterness of methi and children can also enjoy. Chop a small onion finely. Chop a medium-sized tomato. Peel and chop a boiled potato into bite-sized pieces. Heat your karahi. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use any oil you want. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Once the cumin seeds have crackled, add 1 red chili. You can also add green chili. Stir a little bit. Now add the chopped onion and cook till it turns soft and translucent. Stir everything together. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the onion to become soft. Now add the eggplant cubes. Stir and mix well. It's very important that first 2 to 3 minutes you cook eggplant on a very high heat, otherwise the eggplant's texture becomes very strange and it won't get cooked properly. After everything gets mixed, cover and cook on high heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid, mix everything. Add a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. This cumin seed powder is already roasted. Add chopped tomatoes. Add chopped methi saag. After the first 3 minutes of cooking on high heat, lower down the temperature to medium and finish rest of the cooking on medium to low heat. Give everything a good stir. Mix methi saag and cumin seed powder, tomatoes, everything properly. Once everything is mixed, cover and cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, remove the lid, add few crushes of black pepper, stir everything together. We will cover and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes, but don't keep it covered continuously, otherwise your methi saags will become dull looking and they won't look green. After 2 minutes, remove the lid, add the chopped and boiled potatoes. Potatoes don't need much cooking because they are already boiled. Give it a good stir, mixing everything, scraping from the bottom so that they don't get burnt. Now cover and cook for 1 more minute. Our methi saag looks done. Tomatoes are all mushed up. Eggplants look cooked. But just to make sure, pick 1 eggplant cube, press it between your fingers and check if it's done. Yeah, it's done now. Turn off the heat and give it a good stir, but don't cover with the lid, otherwise the greens won't stay green. Methi saag prepared this way goes very well with hot paratha. Children love to eat with paratha. The eggplant makes the methi softer and cuts down the bitterness. So even kids enjoy this sabji with real relish. Serve this hot methi saag with fresh parathas and you have the perfect winter meal. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul and thanks for watching.